Welcome back to Grammar Minute, your go-to spot for spending a few minutes and learning essential grammar. Today we're going to learn about distributives in English grammar, with a special focus on every, all, and none. Are you ready? Let's go.
Every student in the class has a textbook. All of the cookies were eaten, so there are none left. She visits her grandparents every Sunday. None of the books was interesting, so I returned them. We need all the documents to complete the process. Every student has to submit their assignment by Friday. There were 5 questions, but none of them was easy. Every child in the park was playing happily. We searched the house, but found none of the keys. She asked every person at the party about the incident. None of the movies were good, so we decided to leave. Every student has a role in the play. The manager spoke to each employee individually. All the tickets were sold out by the afternoon. All the milk was spilled, so we have to buy more. Every question on the test was difficult. None of them knew the answer, so the teacher explained. Each student received a certificate. All of the apples are ripe, so we can eat them now. None of the guests have arrived yet.
How's your score? Feeling proud of yourself? Well done! Here's the tip for you if you still have some problems. Take a good look at this simple guide and you'll have no problem using it next time. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Grammar Minute. Drop your comment below and thank you for watching.